In the heart of the jungle, where the sun's rays barely pierce through the dense canopy, lived a majestic tiger. For years, his strength and prowess were unmatched, his roar echoing through the wilderness as a symbol of his might and authority. That was until one fateful day. This day was different. Tensions were high, and a savage fight ensued between the tiger and an equally fierce animal. The tiger emerged victorious, but not without injuries. He was beaten and battered, his once smooth coat now riddled with wounds. As he limped through the jungle, he chanced upon a patch of Centella Asiatica, a humble, unassuming herb that held immense power. With nothing to lose, the wounded tiger rolled in the patch, his wounds making contact with the miracle herb. Days turned into weeks, and something remarkable happened. The tiger's wounds began to heal, his strength returning, his vitality reinstated. The Centella Asiatica, once just another herb in the jungle, revealed itself as a divine salve, healing the mighty beast and restoring him to his former glory. News of this magical herb spread through the jungle, and soon it reached the ears of mankind. Humans ventured deep into the jungle, seeking the Centella and bringing it back to their world. The discovery changed the course of history. The humble tropical plant transitioned from a wild herb to a much coveted ingredient, healing wounds and ailments for people everywhere. Years later, this remarkable herb was reinvented as a powerhouse ingredient for skin care. Today, it continues to heal and rejuvenate, just as it once did for the majestic tiger in the jungle. Upon hearing this captivating narrative, Her Choice PH, an innovative brand of skincare, felt a spark of inspiration, recognizing the healing potential of the extraordinary plant. They saw a pathway to harness natural beauty in a way that was gentle, effective, and rooted in the heart of nature. That was when Her Choice PH committed themselves to developing a skincare formula enriched with Centella Asiatica. Their top-tier skincare line, operating at the intersection of modern science and age-old wisdom, sought to incorporate the tenacious healing potential of this valuable herb. Thus, a one-of-a-kind skincare formula was born, the Centella Asiatica Premium Repair Set. Made with love, dedication, and a hint of the extraordinary, this set does not only rejuvenate skin, but also reinvigorates it with the healing properties of the remarkable herb. Just as the herb healed the tiger in the depths of the jungle, Her Choice PH Centella Asiatica Premium Repair Set ambitions to heal, renew, and bring out the natural inner radiance in your skin. Witness the change, feel the difference, and rediscover your skin's natural vitality that only nature's touch can provide. This is Her Choice PH Centella Asiatica Premium Repair Set. Nourish, renew, and glow.